Hi, welcome back to the Ketos YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about something that you have probably been looking into doing, and it's definitely recommended. Automating your SSL certificate lifecycle. It would not only save you very painful outages that usually happen when you're about to go on vacation or you're on vacation, and also it will save you time and money. We actually have a calculator in our site of how much money you would save based on how many certificates you have to manage. And as you know, certificates are growing exponentially, so the savings become crazy because you don't really think about it, but every time your employees are renewing their certificates, that takes time, and that time is money. With that, let's jump into what ways can EZCA help you automate your certificate authority. So the first one is ACME. ACME is catching on for public certificates. You know, you can set it up with most clients supported, ISS, all the Linux ones, and basically how it works is your website goes and requests a certificate, proves that they own the domain by putting something in that website, and then they issue the certificate. The problem is you can't do that with private certificates. So EZCA allows you to create ACME servers in your network that are able to validate your internal domains and issue certificates. This allows you to automate it on the way that you automate your public one. So using the exact same tools, making it super easy. However, not all private certificates are the same. So while ACME might work for 90% of your certificates, you might have some user certificates or device certificates that are managed by Intune. And here you can use Intune SCEP. So Intune SCEP, same, it can go create your certificate and get them from EZCA, and you can use those certificates for Wi-Fi authentication and anything, and everything is connected in the cloud. So no infrastructure for you. The next one is we support Azure IoT. We have even Azure IoT samples. We have videos and all that stuff, but IoT is usually a whole separate thing, so I'm not going to spend too much time on it. Speaking on developers, we also have our EZCA client. So if you have your own application and you want to kind of create your automatic rotation, we have NuGet package that it actually makes it one line of code requesting a certificate, renewing a certificate, and so on. So I definitely recommend checking this out. As you can see, it's very popular among developers. And then we have our certificate renewal tool. So for devices that might not be supported by other tools, we have a tool that you can run in PowerShell, register your domains, automatically rotate them, set schedule tasks to rotate them, making it really easy. And as you can see, our whole idea is solve for every single scenario, so you don't have to touch a certificate ever again. It's you set and you forget. And then the last one, which is actually my favorite, is in our portal. The reason for this, you don't have to set up anything, super easy. You never have to touch it again. So in here, I'm just gonna go request it. And this one we do with Azure Key Vault. And we have very cool things with this integration. So in here, we actually go get your key vaults that you have in your subscriptions. So you can see here, and you can see that it has the auto rotate certificate. So it will automatically rotate it 80% of the lifetime. It will add it in your key vault. The best part about this, your private key never leaves the key vault, so it's always protected by an HSM. EZCA takes care of everything. One of the coolest features about this is you can have an application ID. So if you're using an Azure application for this specific certificate, you can enter it here, and EZCA will actually rotate that certificate also in the application. So you will actually avoid any outages that might happen since Azure doesn't support subject-based rotation. So it really makes it a click and forget. And I'm just going to click in so you can see how fast it is. So all that we have to do is click request certificate. And by the time I open portal, it will be done. So if you can see here, it's already done. But by the time I open it, log in, go to the Key Vault, search for the certificate, and we can see the one that was created today. And the cool part about this is I could go back to my certificates, and let's say I want to rotate it, something happened. So I just go test 2, find the one that we're using. So it's the 700, and I'm just going to click renew. Simple as that. It's renewing. I go back here, refresh. It's already on my Key Vault. You're using this Key Vault to with your application or anything, the latest certificate will always be there. So that's how easy it is to automate SSL rotation and SSL lifecycle in all your different applications. If there's one I missed, please let us know down in the comments, and we're happy to help you out. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you enjoy this tool as much as we do.